Ready to mix some planting mix for my seedlings, and I have here a brick of Coco Coir, and all I need to do is put the brick in the container and add 2 quarts of water to it, and it will expand. And then I am going to add some perlite to it, and that will be my seedling mix. And here is the Coco Coir I'm using. It is already enriched with plant food, and it's 100% organic. And the perlite is also 100% organic. And I'm super excited. It's been about 15 minutes, and the Coco Coir is nicely filling up. I might need to add just a smidgen bit more water to get the center of that and get it going, but it has expanded really, really nicely.